By harnessing the unique advantages of YouTube Shorts and Snapchat, you can create a potent strategy for audience growth and exponential expansion. YouTube Shorts delivers quick, easily digestible video content to a vast audience, making it perfect for going viral. On the other hand, Snapchat offers a more intimate platform for direct interactions through stories and private messaging, fostering more profound connections. Understanding and leveraging these strengths can fuel each other, boosting watch time, audience engagement, and revenue streams. It's crucial to understand that YouTube Shorts and Snapchat serve distinct purposes and cater to slightly different audiences. YouTube is a powerhouse for broader reach, with its algorithm favoring engaging, fast-paced content that keeps viewers on the platform. YouTube Shorts in particular is a launchpad for going viral, as it promotes new content in its feed. On the other hand, Snapchat is a more personal platform, often used for direct interactions with friends or influencers in a private setting. This personal touch allows you to build a more profound, loyal following, making your audience feel more connected and engaged. Snapchat's potential for audience growth and engagement is inspiring. The key to success lies in a strategic approach that leverages the strengths of YouTube Shorts and Snapchat. Use YouTube Shorts for reach and discovery and Snapchat for retention and engagement. While the ultimate goal is monetization, your success will largely depend on how well you can optimize your content for each platform. Start by creating YouTube Shorts around a niche that works on both platforms. Content that thrives on both YouTube Shorts and Snapchat often focuses on lifestyle, quick how-to videos, entertainment, or even micro-sketches. You want the content to be short, snappy, and visually engaging, using strong hooks to get people to stop scrolling and watch. Your primary focus here should be getting viewers to watch the whole video. The YouTube algorithm rewards high audience retention, and in the case of Shorts, keeping people engaged for even 15 to 60 seconds is critical to improving watch time. Try to include a mix of valuable information, humor, or intrigue to keep them hooked. But here's a crucial point of divergence in strategies. Some people recommend creating unique content for YouTube Shorts, while others suggest repurposing content from other platforms like TikTok or Instagram. The benefit of creating original content is that it feels more authentic, and the algorithm may favor you for producing content specifically for YouTube. On the other hand, repurposing content saves time and allows you to maintain consistency across platforms. This is especially useful if you're trying to juggle multiple social accounts simultaneously. Deciding what works best for you is vital, but the inspiration to create unique, authentic content is essential. Consistency is critical. Upload frequently, at least 3 to 5 shorts per week. Now here's where Snapchat comes in. Use your YouTube Shorts as a funnel to drive traffic to your Snapchat account. At the end of each short, add a call to action that invites people to follow you on Snapchat for exclusive content. The content on Snapchat should feel more personal and behind the scenes. Give viewers a reason to follow you there, whether it's more in-depth tutorials, sneak peeks, or casual day-to-day interactions. Snapchat is ideal for nurturing a deeper relationship with your audience, something you can't achieve as quickly on YouTube due to the nature of the platform. Many creators will argue that you should use platforms like Instagram or TikTok for this purpose instead, as they also offer wider audiences. However, Snapchat has a unique feature that makes it a hidden gem for monetization: Snap Spotlight. This relatively new feature rewards users for creating viral content with cash prizes. If you're already creating short-form content for YouTube Shorts, double up and upload that same content to Snapchat Spotlight, increasing your chances of earning through both platforms. While YouTube doesn't directly monetize Shorts in the same way as longer videos, it does offer the YouTube Shorts Fund, which is available to creators worldwide. You can earn between $100,000 and $10,000 per month from this fund, depending on the performance of your shorts. To apply for the fund, you must meet specific eligibility criteria and understand how to optimize your shorts for maximum engagement. This fund offers an easy way to earn money without negotiating deals. Click-through rate, or CTR, is also critical here. Create thumbnails that grab attention even for shorts, even though they aren't required. Custom thumbnails can still be viewed on the shorts shelf and other areas of YouTube, which could help increase your CTR. Titles should be catchy but informative. Experiment with a mix of curiosity and keywords that align with what your target audience is searching for. This experimentation and creativity in your titles and thumbnails can make your content stand out and attract more viewers. Some creators argue that you shouldn't bother monetizing YouTube Shorts directly at first, and instead focus on growing a subscriber base that you can later monetize through brand deals and sponsorships. Others, however, emphasize the importance of capitalizing on the Shorts Fund. At the same time, it's available as it offers an easy entry into earning money without negotiating deals. This debate depends on your long-term goals. If you're looking for quick cash, go for the Shorts Fund. If you aim for longevity, build your subscriber base first and focus on retention strategies. Monetizing Snapchat comes in multiple forms. The most immediate way is through Snap Spotlight, where Snapchat pays creators for viral content. Uploading content that works on YouTube Shorts doubles your chances of getting paid for the same work. However, it's important to note that getting your content to go viral on Snap Spotlight can be a challenge, and the competition is fierce. Snapchat also allows creators to promote products or services through affiliate marketing and brand partnerships. But these strategies also come with challenges. Some creators prefer using Snapchat for paid private stories or subscription-based content. This is where Snapchat really shines compared to other platforms. By offering exclusive content to your most loyal followers, you can charge a premium and create a reliable source of income. This contrasts with YouTube, where monetization tends to rely more on volume and views. In contrast, Snapchat can provide steady revenue through a smaller, more engaged audience. Some creators will push hard to get sponsorship deals on Snapchat. In contrast, others prefer using it as a platform for promoting digital products, such as ebooks or courses. Both approaches have merit, but aligning your strategy with the content you create and your target audience is critical. One of the most powerful strategies you can use is cross-promotion between YouTube Shorts and Snapchat. For instance, you can mention your Snapchat account in your YouTube Shorts and vice versa, encouraging your audience to follow you on both platforms. You can also create stories or posts on Snapchat specifically designed to drive viewers back to your YouTube Shorts, which will help with audience retention on YouTube. This is where you'll see the compounding effect of combining these platforms. On Snapchat, you can create stories or posts specifically designed to drive viewers back to your YouTube Shorts, which will help with audience retention on YouTube. Alternatively, you can use your YouTube channel to offer content that complements your posting on Snapchat, creating a loop of engagement that keeps people consuming your content across both platforms. Now that you've grown your audience on both platforms, it's time to diversify your income streams. You don't want to rely solely on platform funds or ad revenue. You should have built enough of a following to attract sponsorships by this point. Brands are always looking for creators with engaged audiences across multiple platforms, and having both YouTube and Snapchat under your belt makes you a more appealing candidate for deals. Start contacting brands or signing up for influencer marketing platforms to land sponsorships. Alternatively, affiliate marketing can effectively monetize if you've built trust with your audience. Promote products that align with your content and audience interests. Ensure you're transparent with your followers about affiliate links to maintain trust. Some creators might also venture into selling digital products like online courses, presets, or even offering paid consultations. This approach might not appeal to everyone, but if you've built up expertise in your niche, there's always room to monetize your knowledge. Combining YouTube Shorts with a Snapchat account is a powerful way to build an audience and make money online. The key is to use each platform for its strengths. YouTube Shorts for reach and discovery, and Snapchat for deeper engagement and monetization. You can maximize your earning potential by driving traffic between the two platforms through platform funds, sponsorships, or even creating digital products. The debate over whether to focus on short-term gains like the Shorts Fund or long-term growth like building a subscriber base is ultimately up to you. Still, both strategies offer unique opportunities for success.